Thanks to their expectorant and anti-inflammatory powers, onions are perfect to relieve your cough. However, it's good to keep in mind that coughs are a defense mechanism that shouldn't be repressed. Today's video will discuss 5 ways onions can help you get rid of a cough. If you are new to Remedies 1 channel, please take a moment to subscribe this channel and tap the bell icon so that you will get notified when I publish new videos daily. Coughing is one of your body's defense mechanisms produced to fight viruses and bacteria or foreign objects in your airways. It's produced by an explosive emptying of the air in your lungs. Most of the time, it comes along with phlegm and irritation. Here, we'd like to share 5 of the best ways onions can help with your cough. 1. Onion garlic tea for fighting a cough. This hot beverage made from onions and garlic will give you a boost of essential nutrients to improve your immune response to viruses and bacteria. These ingredients are expectorants and mucolytic, helping rid your body of phlegm and thus relieving your cough more quickly. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 1 raw clove of garlic, half onion. How do I make it? 1. Heat the 2 cups of water. In the meantime, chop the garlic and onion. 2. Once boiling, remove from heat and pour into a jar along with the chopped ingredients. 3. Let sit for 20 minutes, strain, and drink. 4. Have a cup in the morning and the other before bed. 2. Onion honey cough syrup. This is a natural cough syrup made from onions and honey. It combines their antibiotic and expectorant powers to help with both dry coughs and phlegm. Both ingredients reduce irritation in the throat area and encourage the cleansing of your airways, helping with congestion. Ingredients: 1 onion, 4 tablespoons of honey. How do I make it? 1. Slice the onion finely and put into a glass jar. 2. Cover with the 4 tablespoons of honey and let sit for 10 to 12 hours. 3. After this time, have 2 or 3 tablespoons of syrup a day. 3. Onion lemon juice for fighting a cough. Fresh onion juice combined with a bit of lemon juice can reduce inflammation in your airways and manage symptoms like congestion and coughing. These 2 ingredients control viral and bacterial growth and directly treat infections, thus helping keep complications away. Ingredients: half onion, the juice of half lemon. How do I make it? 1. Put the half an onion through a juicer and combine with the lemon juice. 2. Have 2 tablespoons of juice every 3 hours. 4. Apple, onion, and carrot juice. This juice made from garlic, onions, and carrots is a highly nutritious drink with properties that put a stop to symptoms of respiratory infections, including coughing. It soothes your throat, cleans out your lungs, and stimulates the removal of toxins that may be hampering your recovery. It is also a great way to prevent cholesterol from accumulating in your arteries, since it contains fiber and antioxidants. Ingredients: 1 clove of garlic, 1 medium-sized onion, 2 stalks of celery, 1 medium-sized carrot, 1 liter of water. How do I make it? 1. Wash all ingredients well. Cut into pieces and process in a blender along with the liter of water. 2. Once well mixed, consume twice a day. 5. Topical onion treatment. This dressing made with onions is another helpful way to relieve your cough and reduce irritation in your respiratory tract. This vegetable contains compounds that have a pain-relieving and soothing effect. It's effective for treating the flu, colds, and bronchitis. Ingredients: 1 onion, half liter of water. How do I make it? 1. Add the chopped onion to a half liter of water. Boil until soft. 2. Strain and remove any remaining pieces of onion. 3. Wet a cloth in the liquid and before it cools, place on your chest. 4. Apply for 10 minutes before bed. How you fight with cough, let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.